Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is my personal experience with using the resource, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at Vodafone, found at Vodafone.com. Vodafone is a multinational telecommunications giant offering a range of services globally. Navigating the website, you'll discover they provide mobile plans, fixed broadband internet, television packages, and even Internet of Things (IoT) solutions for businesses. Their reach extends across multiple continents, serving both individual consumers and large corporate clients. One of the key aspects of Vodafone's online presence is the ability to manage your account directly through their website. This self-service portal allows users to view their bills, track their usage, change their plan, and access support resources. Depending on your location, you can also shop for new devices, add-ons, and international roaming packages. The site is designed to be user-friendly, providing a streamlined experience for managing your telecommunications needs. Vodafone also emphasizes its commitment to innovation and technology, showcasing its involvement in 5G rollout, network infrastructure development, and digital solutions for businesses. They highlight their efforts in areas like cybersecurity and sustainability, aiming to position themselves as a responsible and forward-thinking telecommunications provider. Exploring their website further reveals resources for investors, information about their corporate social responsibility initiatives, and career opportunities within the company. It's clear they aim to present a comprehensive overview of their operations and values online. Finally, Vodafone's website often features dedicated sections for specific regions or countries. This allows them to tailor their offerings and promotions to local markets, providing relevant information to users based on their geographic location. You'll find information about coverage areas, specific deals, and customer service contact information tailored for your area. This localized approach demonstrates their commitment to serving a diverse global customer base.